How to connect paths in Jurassic World Evolution 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to connect paths in Jurassic World Evolution 2 step by step. Whether you're building a new park or fixing disconnected facilities, this guide will help your guests move around smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Paths menu. First, open the Building menu and select the Paths tab. It's the icon with a small road. This is where you choose the type of path to use. Step 2. Choose a path type. Pick a path style that fits your park. Standard, wide, or decorative. All types work the same way, so it's mostly about looks and space. Step 3. Start the path. Click to place the beginning of your path. Usually, you start from the park entrance, or an existing path network. Step 4. Connect it to a building. Drag the path toward the entrance of a building. You'll see the path snap to the entrance when it's aligned properly. Make sure it connects directly, no gaps, or the game won't recognize the connection. Step 5. Adjust if needed. If the terrain is uneven or blocked, use the terrain tool to flatten the area or move obstacles like fences or trees. Step 6. Finish the connection. Once it snaps and looks clean, click to confirm. That building is now connected. Guests and staff can reach it. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to connect paths in Jurassic World Evolution 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.